Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. And we're gonna go ahead and get started here. I am torching out the air bubbles that are coming to the surface. I do this because when the painting dries, you want to make sure that it doesn't dry with pinholes. I'm sorry about the glare up top here. That's just the light. And let me torch out once again here. I am working on a wood round. This wood round is, let's see, 12 inches round, okay? So I went ahead and I flooded my wood round with Oxide Black by Amsterdam. I am going to be showing you the colors. So I'm using Purple Lake by Creative Inspirations, and I'm using a lot of Creative Inspirations paintings or paints that I've had stored away for years and I haven't pulled them out. I just did. So I mixed a few up. That's why you're gonna start to see me saying Creative Inspirations, which is a very good brand. It's a student grade. So we're gonna go ahead here and I'm just going to wiggle my design right there. Okay, so that is what I want. So Purple Lake by Creative Inspirations. My next color is Metallic Green by Amsterdam, one of the new colors. Take a look at it. I've used this one previously. So Metallic Green by Amsterdam. My next color, another beautiful color by Amsterdam. This is Metallic Violet by Amsterdam. Okay. Love, love, love the color palette. Is the realm of greens and purples. Now I have Pearlized Golden Green by Master's Touch. So this brand I've used before. So Pearlized Golden Green by Master's Touch. Next I have, and I'm going to be very light-handed, 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. Again, very light-handed with this one. Okay. And last but not least, I have Lilac by Amsterdam. Beautiful color. Those are my colors. I love how it looks against the black here. I'm going to torch out the air bubbles once again. And we're going to go ahead and blow this out. Let's go. How gorgeous is this? Beautiful. I'm going to reel this in a little bit here. Right there. And I'm bringing this purple down a little bit in here. Wow. What, love this cell reaction right in here. Absolutely gorgeous. What a beauty. I'm going to torch it out a little bit. I don't want to do anything to this one. Don't want to do anything here. Love it. This color palette is gorgeous. Wait until I show you guys. Come on, let's go. Okay, everyone, so here she is. Look how gorgeous she is. Has turned absolutely beautiful. Very cute. Look at the cells. Look at the reaction here. Take a look at those petals at the edges here. And it's still developing. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Oh, it's a little distorted. Let me get out a little bit. I'm sorry about that glare of my light, but look at this. How cute is this? Look at that. Love how the color palette works. I love these colors together. Love it against that black base. And I love the negative space that I have here and the motion of this painting. Tell me what you think about this beauty. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, as it helps me. It helps my channel. And I would love for you to follow my artwork and my journey. Give it a thumbs up, a like, share it. And most importantly, tell me what you think about this one. It looks electrifying. I absolutely love it. I'm happy with the blowout and the color combination. Once again, thank you guys for joining me here at Float Arts by Elsa. Have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.